Popin Media.
Your Worship, with all due respect, you signed this affidavit, did you?
Yes.
Did you sign the affidavit?
Yes, I did.
Are these your statements? Yes or no? Can you tell court, you said you were a lawyer, can you tell court which laws were breached? Yes or no?
See the electoral laws. How would you declare a person?
You tell me, can you tell court which laws were breached? Which electoral laws were breached? This is evidence. Can you? If you can't, you say, no, I can't.
Electoral laws that were breached?
Yes.
For starters,
Please don't consult your counsel. Please don't. Respect court. If you don't know, you say you don't know. And then move on to the next question.
you want me to state the sections? Where do you want me to?
Oh, goodness, Lord. You are a lawyer, aren't you? Aren't you a lawyer?
Yes, I did law at UC.
No, but it's also simple. You can say, don't know the law.
If you don't know, you tell us you don't know. Then we continue.
I remember when we were in the law school, they would tell us the best lawyer is the person who knows where to find this.
That the Kayunga District Returning Officer declared 3 different sets of results wrongly and in breach of electoral laws, indicating that Nakwedde as the winner.
In those 3 different sets of results, is there any where you declare the winner? Yes or no?
In a different sets?
Yes. No. Set of the declaration. Yeah? How many police stations have been handled?
In the first set?
Yeah.
But since it was given to her,
This is your evidence. You are attaching this document. This is your paragraph.
Where did you get that copy from? Your Worship,
no,
yes? Don't look at counsel. Counsel, please, you're not a witness. Or you want to become a witness in 4 months.
no, the thing is,
You want duty counsel. No. Your Worship, you see the face. Okay, who was that document given? Who was that document given?
this declaration was given to Nakwedde.
Where did you get it from?
Definitely I put up because the declaration is a public.
Where did you get it from? Even if it's TikTok, tell us.
She posted another one, not this one. Next one, another one.
Inform court, where did you get that document from? Because it's on your document, right? That's your affidavit. Counsel?
From herself, because she's unable.
Where did you get it from? Wajijawa
I answered, I said since you don't received it.
and gave it to you. She's your friend. Madam Birungi, are you friends with Madam Nakwedde?
Why would I be in her politics? Not that
So you exchange documents?
politics is not something I do or die.
Could you show court the original of this document?
That she gave me her origin.
Could you show court the original?
Could you be having the origin of that?
No, I don't have. Why would I have her origin? I only have mine that I received from EC. My origin. I just got.
Maybe it's a simple. Could you be having the origin of that document?
This one?
Yeah.
No, I don't have.
So can we say that this is a forged document?
When it has a stamp from the EC.
Don't mind. You don't have the original. You don't know where you got it from. Okay? So it's a forged document.
No, I. At that you see, when she was declared, the RO got a declaration letter and gave her a copy. Then I stayed behind. I demanded from my very own, which he had even insisted not to give me. Then he later gave me my own.
Who gave it to you?
The RO.
So you're now changing the position?
No.
It's not from Nakwedde.
After declaration, I have a right to also receive my copy. They declared her and gave her own copy. Then when I also demanded for mine, that they were not giving me, the RO later also gave me mine that was different from what she had. No, it's not this one.
I'm referring to A. Don't go to another. Court is interested in knowing A, how you got that A. Okay? And actually how you forged it. Because we see this now, a police issue.
I saw it from Nakwedde's TikTok, she posted. And then I also went and received a copy, them showing that they had finally done it. That's what they were claiming.
Okay, now let me take you to your affidavit.
Show court where you objected during the turning process.
You see,
I don't see.
I told you not all our results were entered by the time we were declared.
Look at, so do you have any paragraph where you objected during the turning process?
I don't.
Nkubuza mu Luganda.
And I said, pardon, I mean.
Do you have any paragraph in your evidence informing court that you objected to the results being carried by the returning officer in the tally center and the returning officer let you down? Any paragraph in here? It's not there. You have said Mukondo is missing. Look at that page and you see whether Mukondo results are missing.
No, that was not her answer. She said some results are missing. She did not say some polling stations are missing. She gave a very specific answer.
Okay, which results are missing on this tally? Which polling station was not entered on this tally?
My Lord, Your Worship, this application was disguised as an application for a recount of votes, which is provided for under section 74. It is bad in law. It is bad by law. Frivolous, vexatious, and fatally defective. It is actually an abuse of court process. It is aimed at circumventing proper legal process or procedure. Your Worship, the grounds upon which this application relies on, are couched in questions of non-compliance with electoral laws. Questions of non-compliance with electoral laws.
The application raised a numerical question. The question of numbers. The application raised a numerical question. Now, the case that you've been referred to says an attempt to prove results qualifications by irregularities I don't know why they are assuming that we are accusing them of falsifying. Simply stated in application, we have declaration of results forms, and they seem to have their own set of forms. They seem to have their own set of forms. The court then is duty bound to find out what's the correct position. For purposes of an election petition, there is not a single authority that says that before you recount, you should look at certified copies of GR forms. The case that was cited from the Supreme Court at the time when the Supreme Court was hearing the appeals was in reference to an election petition. It's not necessary to prove what the results are. Our only obligation is to raise doubt. That must be understood. Our only obligation is to raise doubt that there seems to be a problem. That there seems to be a problem. So then the court is moved to go and figure out what the problem is. And I say this respectfully, but I regret to say that the raising of the objections has completely wasted our time. They were unnecessary. The raising of the objections were completely unnecessary. And let my